students. The topic for today is vaccination. Now, immunoprophylaxis or vaccination is a term. There are two types of immunoprophylaxis. There is an active immunoprophylaxis and there is a passive immunoprophylaxis. Active immunoprophylaxis is given by vaccination and passive immunoprophylaxis is given by giving administration of immunoglobulins. Now, vaccination or vaccines are immunobiological preparation which are prepared against a particular, which gives protection against a particular infectious organism. Now, these organism, when these are injected, they activate your immune system to produce either antibodies or they can be there to produce immunocompetent T cells. Now, this vaccines, they can be monovalent or they can be polyvalent. What we understand by monovalent vaccine are vaccines which have got infectious agent which have got only one single strain. They can be produced against that particular organisms like BCG, or there can be a polyvalent like pneumococcal vaccines, oral polio vaccines. They have got multiple strains. Like oral polio has got 3 strains, pneumococca has got 5-6 strains. So all these strains, so these vaccines are known as polyvalent. Going back to history of vaccines, the vaccines which were prepared are uh, from the era of Jenner and Pasteur. Now, Jenner was the first person who had used cowpox as vesical fluid for vaccinating against smallpox, which was a scourge at that time. Now, these vaccines were injected differently at that time. Pasteur uh, introduced two types of vaccine, anthrax vaccine and vaccine against rabies. Now, slowly we have developed many types of vaccines, and vaccines are one of the best types of prophylaxis or preventive agents which are available today, right? Now, there are various different types of vaccines. What are the different types of vaccines we have? We have got live vaccines, we have got killed vaccines, we have got toxoid vaccines, we have got subunit vaccines, we have got a vaccine which are conjugated or part of that subunit vaccines. So there are many types of vaccines. Now coming to the live vaccines. Now live vaccines are produced by attenuation. What do you mean by attenuation? It's repeated subculturing of the organism in a foreign host or in a hostile environment so that the organism loses its virulence, but its pathogenicity or immunogenicity is there, but it loses its virulence. So they are unable to cause the disease, but they are immunogenic, so they can activate our immune system. Now, there are certain advantages of using live vaccine. The advantages of using live vaccines are there is only one single dose needed, or a small quantity of this vaccine is needed to boost the immune system. Second advantage is that it induces the immunity against all the major and minor components of that particular infectious agent. The third advantage of using the live vaccines are it can induce systemic as well as mucosal immunity. But there are certain contraindications, there are certain precautions for live vaccines. Now, what are they? The live vaccines cannot be used in a persons who are immunocompromised, either due to some disease or due to some other problems like HIV, like usage of corticosteroid, like the persons who have received the transplantation. All these persons, the live vaccines cannot be used. Live vaccines cannot be given in pregnant women. When 2 live vaccines are administered, there has to be a gap of at least around 4 weeks, right? So these are certain precautions while giving live vaccines. Now live vaccines, as there are live organisms, they have to be stored at a proper temperature and pH, and there is need to be a cold chain to be maintained. So if the cold chain is not maintained, then you can the things cannot be, the vaccine can lose its potency and it may not work. The examples of live vaccines are, there is a, you can see this is a this is a tab vaccine, it is written BAT. So I will just move this. So you can have a tab vaccine, or you can have MMR vaccine, BCG vaccine. So these are the vaccines which are oral polio vaccine, MMR vaccine, BCG vaccine, tab vaccine. These are all live attenuated preparations.